EU LNG officers, Belgium flag and the Belgium country to embark. The biggest advantage of Belgium is that if your partner is not working, you get 700 euros more net per month, and if you have one kid, 200 more euros net. So if you have 20 kids, that's 4,000 more euros net per month, which depends. Income tax perhaps is less, so then we can only get to 10 kids, approx that's 2,000 euros, and that's why the Belgium football team will be something to talk about in the next short term 4 to 5 years, I guess. So then this is the huge advantage. Social Security, Belgium flag, length of contract is 8 weeks on off, and we only pay on board for the moment. So more information, you can contact Candina. This is LNG officers, Europeans that now you are sailing, going to Qatar, war, risk areas, and you're thinking, perhaps I think another plan is nice, working Eemshaven here in Belgium. And then we have this captain, first year is 14,320, second year 15,110, chief officer 10,335, first year, second year 11,950, second officer 7,240, second year 7,470, third officer is 5,915. There's not second year because normally you would be promoted. Then the first engineer is 12,382, 382. Then the second year 13,706, and then the third engineer, that was the first engineer, sorry, the second engineer is 10,535, the second year 11,540, then the third engineer is 7,240, first year, second year 7,470, and then the fourth engineer is 4,915, and then there is no second year as you would be promoted, and then we have the electrician engineer, there is no second year, and this 6,710 net euros per month, 8 weeks on off, all the officers. And then we have the automation engineer, 8,685. Please apply to Candina urgently. If you are now sailing Qatar, Iran, the war, and you like to sail close home, Belgium flag, apply to Candina urgently. Like and subscribe, pass to all these groups you have of WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. And thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.